Good day guys, welcome. In this one I will show you how to convert your SpayLater balance into ShopeePay. So firstly you need to open up your Shopee app and make sure both SpayLater and ShopeePay are activated. You'll need a verified ShopeePay account with an ID linked, otherwise the transfers won't work. And also guys, another important thing, Shopee doesn't allow direct conversion, so this method involves using a trusted merchant or service. You can search for digital product sellers on Shopee that accept SpayLater as payment, such as ShopeePay, top-up vouchers or balance reload sellers. And also I will show you this little tutorial on how to use the ShopeePay once you have the money transferred. So when you activate it, the SpayLater will be automatically added as a payment method. We have the screenshots, and after that you just go to Me, then to the wallet, settings, linked payment methods, preferred, and CBank. And and you can just perform payments like this. Also, once the balance arrives, you can just check the Shopee wallet to confirm that the funds have hit the account. And that's pretty much it. After that, you're basically converted from SpayLater to ShopeePay. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.